Good morning. Let's begin our English practice together. Slowly, clearly, and calmly. Today, we'll go through 100 daily routine sentences that you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let the words flow naturally. Take a deep breath, and let's start your day in English. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The room is quiet. I open my eyes slowly. I sit up and look around. Sunlight gently enters through the window. It feels peaceful. I check the time on my phone. I try not to scroll too much, just a quick check. Then, I put my phone down. I stand up and make my bed. A clean bed makes me feel ready. I feel calm. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the tap and wash my face. Cold water touches my skin. It wakes me up. I brush my teeth slowly. I look in the mirror and smile. I tell myself, today will be a good day. I comb my hair. I wash my hands. I dry my face with a towel. I feel fresh and awake. Now I walk to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Water gives me energy. Sometimes I make tea. Sometimes I make coffee. The smell fills the room. It makes me happy. I prepare breakfast. Maybe toast and eggs. Maybe just fruit. I sit down and eat slowly. I enjoy each bite. I think about the day ahead. I feel grateful for the quiet morning. After breakfast, I check my phone again. I read a few messages. I reply to some, then put it away. I don't want to rush. I want to start my day calmly. I take a shower. Warm water relaxes my body. I wash my hair. I feel the steam around me. It's peaceful. I step out and get dressed. I choose clothes that make me feel confident. I look in the mirror and smile again. I put on my shoes. I'm ready to begin my day. If I go to work or school, I leave the house. If I stay home, I sit at my desk. I organize my space. A clean space helps me think clearly. On my way, I listen to English podcasts. I repeat small sentences in my head. Sometimes I whisper them quietly. It helps me practice English naturally. I feel proud of myself for learning every day. When I arrive, I greet people. I say, "Good morning." I ask, "How are you today?" I smile when I speak. It feels good to connect with others. I start my work. I check my to-do list. I focus on one thing at a time. If I make a mistake, I try again. I stay calm and patient. I drink water often. I take small breaks. I stretch my arms and legs. It keeps my body relaxed. It helps my mind stay sharp. At lunchtime, I eat something simple. Maybe rice, bread, or noodles. Sometimes I eat with friends. Sometimes alone. I take my time. I enjoy the moment. After lunch, I rest for a few minutes. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. Then I continue my work. The afternoon moves quietly. I try to stay focused. If I feel tired, I get up and walk a little. I drink more water. I wash my face. It gives me new energy. I finish my work before evening. I clean my desk. I put things in order. I like ending the day neatly. On the way home, I listen to English again. I repeat short sentences softly. I practice pronunciation. It feels nice to learn while traveling. When I reach home, I take off my shoes. I relax my shoulders. I change into comfortable clothes. I take a deep breath. I feel at peace. I make a cup of tea or coffee. I sit quietly for a few minutes. I think about my day. Sometimes I talk with my family or friends. We share small stories. It feels warm and comforting. In the evening, I go for a short walk. The air feels cool. The sky is changing colors. I watch the sunset. I feel calm and thankful. When I return home, I take a shower. I wash away the day's tiredness. I feel light and fresh again. Then I prepare dinner. Maybe soup, maybe vegetables. I cook slowly. The smell of food fills the kitchen. It feels like home. I sit down and eat. I enjoy the taste. I try not to use my phone. I want to be present in the moment. After dinner, I clean the dishes. I wipe the table. I keep my kitchen tidy. It makes me feel peaceful. I relax for a while. Maybe I read a book. Maybe I watch a short video. Sometimes I just listen to soft music. The evening feels calm and slow. I take a few minutes to write in my journal. I write about my day. What I did. What I learned. What I felt. Writing helps me think in English. It helps me remember good moments. Later, I prepare for tomorrow. I pack my bag. I check my clothes. I set my alarm. A little preparation makes the morning easier. Before bed, I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I say, "You did your best today." I smile softly. I go to my room. I turn off the lights. The world becomes quiet. I lie down on my bed. I take deep breaths. I feel my body relax. I think about my goals. I imagine myself speaking English confidently. I see myself improving every day. I remind myself, small steps make big changes. I feel proud of my progress. I close my eyes slowly. I say, tomorrow, I'll do even better. I let go of my thoughts. I rest my mind. I fall asleep peacefully. Now, let's review together, slowly and clearly. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I talk with people. I eat lunch. I come home. I take a shower. I eat dinner. I go to sleep. These are simple sentences, but they describe real life. Your daily English. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Let's say them one more time smoothly. I wake up early. I make my bed. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I meet people. I come home. I relax. I sleep well. Every sentence is a step toward fluency. Every day you practice, your confidence grows. Don't rush. Just keep going, one sentence at a time. You are learning English naturally. You are doing your best. And that's enough. Thank you for listening with me today. I'm proud of your effort. Keep practicing every day. And remember, English grows when you do. See you in the next episode of English Flow Podcast.